Hey everybody, and welcome to the next 3 ways in Flame. Now this one's going to be on, again, a pretty ordinary task, but how you can do it in 3 different ways inside of Flame, and that is performing an edit. So let's just jump to schematic, or to, our source reels view. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to create, let's do some bars just so it's obvious what we're editing in, and we'll make it 25 frames. So the first way to perform an edit is if we open this, and say we want to cut in here, we just, again, gesturally drag and drop that guy there. And now you see we've performed an edit going from these two guys. Now the second way is, again, it's a more of an older Flame way, which is using, especially with the Flame shortcuts, which is if we select this and press C, you see we've collapsed the clip. So we're viewing every frame, which is a very Flame-centric thing too. So let's just quickly, again, I'll just do another color source and let's make it green. And if we drop this in, you see this will do a edit between, and we'll push the other guy. And if we go to the right, this will create an edit and put that guy in. So that's 2 ways, sometimes you don't get that luxury when you're in batch. Sometimes in batch you want to maintain your nodes but perform an edit. Now you could always do it with the comp and keyframe, but a handy way is with the mux. So if we went from this guy, double click, and we say 2 inputs, and then we go to this guy, and then if we just say went from 1 to 2, these guys are keyframeable. We jump to the next frame and say to 2, then we could do that based off the selection, not the amount. So again, if I go 0, and then go here and then just press 1, you see we created our frames. So that's another way to do editing in the clips. The other way is, there's a 4th way, and that's if we wanted to do it again to the source here. So say this was a 3D render and we wanted to pop something in, you can always open it and then perform the edit from timeline gesturally. Results are different a little bit from within batch effects and batch, but the fact that you can do that in batch, it'd just be open, because schematic reels will open these guys and they'll behave like a normal clip, whereas in batch effects it would be open as sequence, and then you could drag in whatever bit you wanted to do. So you could add a track, you could do whatever you like. So that's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for more.